Hi guys, my name is Kanya and today I'm in the TASTETube kitchen cooking crunchy chicken katsu burgers. We're going to just spread these out flat, and then the bigger part of the thigh we're just going to start not so gently bashing. And then once these are flattened really nicely, we're going to put them in some flour, which I'm just going to season with salt and pepper. I'm going to lay these babies in here. Get some full coverage going on with that seasoned flour. Then we've got these beautiful free-range and organic eggs, which I'm gonna crack in here. Radical, I think 2 will be enough. And then we're just gonna pour about a tablespoon's worth of soy sauce in there. And then we're just gonna beat this lightly, ever so lightly. Amazing. Okay, great. So now we're gonna take these beaten to the pulp chicken thighs, and we're going to dust off the excess flour and we're going to pop them into this egg mix that we've got going here. And then the kicker of it all is going to be our panko breadcrumbs, which just give like a really, really special different crunch, you know, a whole other level of crunch. So as soon as we've done that and we're sure that we've got this thing surrounded, we're going to grab these bad boys and we're going to put them into this hot oil. Okay, so we've got these lovely golden brown katsu that are coming out of the oil now. All they need is a little bit of light seasoning, and then they're gonna be ready to rock and roll. And then Gelezo, bring home the bacon.
Here I come.
Radical. So we've laid out some bacon. Okay, well, Gelezo has laid out some bacon on some grease-proof paper. We've got a magic ingredient. We've got some maple syrup, which we're just gonna drizzle over just a bit. And we're gonna get this right in the oven, and we're gonna just let it crisp up and caramelize beautifully. Okay, so we've got this maple bacon which has just come out the oven, and I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna set this aside, and right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the sriracha mayo. Sriracha, sesame and lime mayo, which is pretty much all the ingredients in the name. So we've got some sesame seeds which we toasted earlier. We're gonna throw those all in there. We've got some sriracha, which is pretty intense. And then we're just gonna add a final flourish of lime juice. We're gonna mix this all up together and get it deeply involved. We've got some toasted burger buns, and I'm gonna just do a lekker lashing of this stuff at the bottom. Then we've got some crimson micro herbs, which I'm gonna just use as a really nice base there. Cucumber ribbons, that I'm gonna plonk on top there. Then our super famous chicken katsu, which I'm gonna dunk over there. Some of this beautiful caramelized maple bacon. And yes, you guessed it, another delicious katsu chicken thigh. Our sriracha mayo, which I just wanna put a little bit more on of. This is kind of the glue that sticks everything together. And then, just to top it off, we've got some spring onions, of which you can never get enough. And there is our burger. I'm gonna just taste and make sure everything is okay. All right, here goes nothing. Mmm.